point production lamang pa rin sila pagdating sa opensa kontra sa Petrogas.
Soltones has scored 9. In play, it is playable. It becomes an opportunity for Victoria to celebrate.
We can take another peek at that.
Malaking bagay yung save ni Soltones dun. Pikit sa net. Ito, naputa. Yung serve ni Sed ang may diin eh. Oh. Whoa! One-handed pickup. Victoria got to it. Soltones blocked. Domingo kneeling down. Soltones tries again. Shoots it against the hands. Good one-hand ground pickup. Oh, when you're lucky and you are industrious, the luck can be created.
Ganun yung panahon. Talagang mapapakinabangan nila yan. Look at Victoria and Madrigal. Two tall ladies collaborating for that block.